Without a doubt, interacting with the Liam4X indicator is an exciting and insightful experience for any professional trader. This indicator not only allows you to utilize precise signals for your trades, but also boosts your confidence in the Forex market. The Liam4X indicator is a powerful tool that provides accurate signals based on advanced market analysis and historical data. Since trading decisions must be based on accurate and reliable information, the Liam4X indicator empowers you to continue your trades with confidence in its signal accuracy. The Liam4X indicator is a formidable tool for Forex traders. It offers you a strong and precise guide for deciding when to enter short and long trades. When the Liam4X indicator displays a downward-facing arrow, it signifies readiness to enter a short sell trade. At this moment, the indicator has identified that market conditions present an opportunity for profit in the downward price direction. When the arrow points upward, it indicates readiness to enter a long buy trade. The Liam4X indicator has recognized that market conditions are favorable for profit in the upward price direction in this situation. One of the crucial features of this indicator is its high precision in the 1-minute time frame. In other words, it accurately and swiftly detects market fluctuations, enabling you to swiftly engage in various trades. As a Forex trader, the Liam4X indicator enables you to confidently continue your trades and enjoy a profitable experience in the 1-minute time frame. This precise and powerful tool assists you in enhancing your performance in the Forex market and achieving greater profitability.
Fighting inside.